plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. Spam, bam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this beach on cam. Like, hold up. She wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Spam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this beach on cam. Like, hold up. She wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this beach on cam. Like, hold up. She wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this beach on cam. Like, hold up. She wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Phone lines are better, I pull up.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to New Week. We are live on YouTube, and as I promised, this week all the live sessions will be on YouTube. Hey, Ro, what's up? It's good to see you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nasdaq futures is been a naughty boy. Look at this. It has dropped and taken out the London low. This was the London low, and now it took out the Asia low. So basically the targets on the downside has been smashed. I would prefer to see we trade back into 830 with the ring bell, and this was the 930 from the Friday. And on the downside, obviously we have targets like the Friday lows, and actually both sides is offering a nice setups. The only thing we need to focus now is to be patient and execute when the perfect times come. I hope you guys had a great weekend, because this week we're gonna make some money. Let me see who is in the house. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Pioneer, Shop with Azal, Melania. Good morning from Germany. Much love to Germany. So, as you can see on my chart, that I will be showing all my trades live, real time, no hindsight. If I push the buy button, you will see it. Yes, let's make some money, ladies and gentlemen. The thing is, from my experience since 2 weeks, I have I have seen that the market is a little bit naughty. So what I mean by that? So when I execute a long position, let's say at the midnight opening price, and I target the 830, it comes until, let's say, this 5-minute fair value gap and pushbacks down. So we need to take a partials, because profit is good in our pockets. This is the first thing. And the second thing is, I will be trading on the micro futures, and I think I will trade now with the 5 contracts. If I see something really good, I will scale up to 10. This is how I trade, because the consistency is over everything. We are not shooting for like a one-day pass, right? We are here for trading tomorrow, the next week, the next year, and it goes like this. Let me see. Pharaoh, good morning, my friend. Pharaoh back from holiday. Ladies and gentlemen, we have 4 minutes and we just traded above the midnight opening price. I'm using the Borsa 321 toolkit. This is my own personal toolkit. If you guys want to check it out, there is a link in the description. Oh, you didn't back from holiday. Okay. No worries, man. Today is Monday, and Monday has one specific thing, which is it will create us the first day of the week, the low and the high. So tomorrow we will use that high because now we are using the Friday low and the Friday high. What is that pair? We are trading Nasdaq futures, ladies and gentlemen. So you can, I think you can see on the top left corner, this is MNQ, which is Nasdaq futures. If you trade on FX market, you can find it as, I think, US 100 or NDX. So you can check my trades. Always do your own research. I'm not a perfect, so I can take a loss. This is part of the game. Before you execute, right, you always do your own research. This looks beautiful. Let me see if we have SMT. Yeah, it's so far it's good. We have equal lows at the ES. Equal lows at ES. It's a nice reversal, to be honest. Now we traded into the new week opening gap. I just checked the chart before we start the live session, and I noticed that we didn't trade back into the last week's new week opening gap. But now look what happened. We traded into this week 30 opening gap. It is, I think, yeah, it's a 10 points of a gap. Not that big deal, but the gap is always gap, right? So they are acting like a magnet. I see this 8:30 now. Let's see. We have 2 minutes. Always keep in mind that you don't have to push the button every day. But before we start, this is a free live session, right? You can smash the like buttons to motivate me to come and do another free live session on YouTube tomorrow. Oh, come on. Yeah, if we are trading above the midnight opening price, and since we trade back into new week opening gap, I think we can take out the 8:30, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, I set it up my everything. Okay, perfect. I hope the live session has no lag. Shouldn't be laggy live session because you guys hate it, I know. So it should be like a 3 to 5 seconds. All right, 40 seconds left. I'm also watching all the pairs here to check the SMT and everything. Crypto is going wild. I don't know if you guys noticed it. What's the Bitcoin price now? Oh my God, look at this. 18,000. Okay, we're pushing higher. 10 seconds, market open. All right, the market just opened. Looking for a direction. Let's see if we get the Judas or if it spikes up to 8:30. Yeah. ATR is now 5. It's very, very low. Okay. Nice push. Very good. Oh, this is a perfect V shape, huh? Oh my God. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Trading one contract. New York session. We're doing what? What do you mean? This is a top SMT on 4 hour. Thank you, man. So we have a London high. We have a clear vision now. I would like to see some pullback, then we can trade into that. Let's see. No rush. First candle of the session is just closed. The buyer's literally in control now. As long as we stay above the 930, you guys know the rules. We are bullish. We're literally down with the downside here. Okay, I have my orders here. $9.31. Only 1 minute passed till the market open. I don't want to chase the price. Sometimes, using the limit orders are good, but sometimes you miss the whole move. So, hey, Tony, good morning. Solid 10 contracts, 5 left to long. Let's go. London high is looking very juicy. But like I said, it shouldn't take out this. But if it takes out, we should see an expansion. Like to this 18th of July high. Come on, give me a little pullback. I want to scale into this. I really want to scale into this. London high looks really good. Yeah. This is what I see. It's a little expansion. 933. We're having a problem on this 5-minute bearish FVG. Little selling pressure. Okay, come on, fill me up. This looks a good quick trade, like it's what is in my mind is like the 18 here, and we can use these FVGs like a 3.5 R trade if it fills me. Maybe to be on the safe side, something like this 2.2 R trade. This looks really good. Come on, invert this 5-minute bearish FVG. It's coming. Yeah, ES is also pushing. The Dow Jones is a little choppy, but it's always like this. We have a nice correlation. I posted before the live session on Discord that I expect a really nice price action because all these indices are in like the synced, when it's synced, when it's moving together, most of the time we get a really, really nice price action. So it's on 934. That's cool. London high, very close, very close. Can we get 300s? Oh my god, look at this beautiful push. This was an easy idea. Why? Because if you look statistically, we trade into all the downside targets like the London low, the Asia low, and the most importantly, the week opening gap. And it all happened before the market opens. So if you check all the news and all the market, we are in very bullish era, right? So you don't expect a market got tanked. So this is the reason. You can literally took a long after you get the closure above the new week opening gap. So from the 40s to 300 is the easy 60 points. Now you look at this. The London high is about to smash. $1,600 from the Pharaoh. He is not kidding, guys. He's just making dollars every single day. All right, I expect the expansion to 18. Yeah, let's see. No bombs on the way. Means like we don't have any bearish fair value gap, and so it will be easy price to take out this 18th of July high. It's a good 2.3 R trade, literally. So the 930 price is here. The market literally just opened like 6 minutes ago. This is like the most enjoyable price action that you want to trade, and boom. So it's literally took out. I expect again a more expansion to upside, because it's like a rule, it's not written, but there is a rule that when the price took out some liquidity, like the previous day low, previous week high, it should expand. So after it touches, it should go like 2 to 3, 4, 5 points away, because it needs to create a new high. That's the rule. That's how the place is working. So we took out this high, new high created. Beautiful trade. Literally a beautiful trade. Okay. Draw on liquidity. Ladies and gentlemen. Loved it. Yeah, man. Easy trade. We missed those kind of trades. I think like since 2 weeks we having a little choppy market, so it felt good. That's for sure. Now this targets got taken. So this macro will over in 2 minutes. And I mostly trade based on the macros, ICT macros. Also, you have to keep in mind that, let me show you the macros here. Free education. So first macro is on the New York 920, 940. The next macro is 950. What are those, Borsa? If you hover it, you will see that 60% of the time 950 macro is a trend continuation. Means we can see more upside move. 40% of the time it's a reversal. But on the 1020 macro, it's a potential reversal plus it's a silver bullet time. All right, so okay. ATR is 10. It's not the best ATR, but it does the job. That's for sure. Okay. Maybe we can just basically remove this. Bulls are literally in control. If you guys have any questions regarding to anything, don't be shy. You can just throw your questions on the chat box. Happy to answer all of them. And don't forget to like the buttons. Smash the like. So ES also tries to make a session high. It just did. Okay. The only thing is, let me see. ES didn't took out the London high yet. So let me show you. Actually, it's an interactive lesson. Okay. What do you see? There is a London high, and we got the London high on NQ. What does it mean, Borsa? What should I do? So like statistically, again, maybe 80% of the time when NQ took out the London high, but ES didn't took out like this, we can expect a more continuous bullish moves until the ES took out the London high. This is how you call market live, ladies and gentlemen. Now we will watch ES take out the London high. If it doesn't took out the London high, it can happen. We can expect a nice reversal. And this reversal can give us nice profits. Why? Why? Because when we took out the reversal trades, most of the time we target 930, which is the opening candle. And I think like 70% of the time it works. It's really easy. I trade statistically. So, the market repeats itself every day. We don't have to invent something new. So we just, copy and paste all these footprints every day. That's how I trade. ES hasn't take the yeah, man. Thanks for letting me know. So this is it, guys. Now we wait patiently if the ES took out the London high or not. I think it will took out the London high. So we should see an expansion like 4 more points on ES. And I think it equals like maybe 15 or 10 points on the NQ. Look at this beautiful thing. I love it. The only downside of this one-sided market in the the low resistance liquidity run, you can see a high resistance liquidity run on the next macro. means that we can see a little chop on 950. But you never know. All-time highs, baby. Literally all-time highs. Let me see. Delete this. Oh shit. Wait. Okay. I think I need to do it by myself. Oh my god, look at this. We're literally at the all-time highs, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the ride. Okay. Yeah. There are people that says, your toolkit is giving a bad crap. I just called the price live here. You don't you will not always use the signals. They don't understand this. You will use the markings on the chart. All of them is giving you the signal. Everything is signal for a good trader. So look at how the Pharaoh is reading the price. Look at him, chat. We just called the London high on the ES, and there is a reason, right? It repeats itself. And if it doesn't take out, no problem. It's looking beautiful. I just messed up my settings, by the way. Okay, just give me a minute. I will enable the 5-minute FVGs. I want to see on my chart. Okay, this is bullish. This is bearish. Okay. It's a beautiful way to start the week. Okay, now we will look for a one beautiful trade. So if we don't take the London high yet, we can actually trade on trend continuation at 950. The only problem is we don't have a target on the NQ here. It's all foggy. Nothing. Looks like bulls, they have the control. Yes, my friend. Bum, 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 bum. Where is the like buttons? Smash the likes, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes it can be, scary when you don't have a target, but the price will go up. So I think the best thing we can use is the fib. So we can take this high to low. We can target the minus 1.5. Okay, we took out the London high. What can I say? Sometimes I feel myself like a fortune teller. Oh my god. This is how you do it, baby. So we have now the target here 474, 537. Can't believe I made so far 625 with one contract. Thanks, Borsa. You are always welcome, bro. You doing the hard work. I'm just showing the way. It's not easy, but it's 100% achievable. Look at this. Now yes, took out the London high. It's now time to think twice because yes also took out the targets. And the reason why NQ is following the yes is like they are correlated pairs. When we get this nice PA, right? When we are in the sync, this is what happens. But now the problem is both are in the literally all-time high. Now what we gonna do? I don't know. we will see what the price will give us. If it gave us a short, we will take a short. If it gave us a retest of this, let's say a 5-minute fair value gap here, we will target the today's high. Very easy, no rush. So we called out a one beautiful long at the market open, and we smashed all the targets. Literally, like how many points? I don't know. Let's not count the first candle, and we can count as the London high here. So it's like a 70 points, 50 points. What are those, man? I always wait for the 1 hour candle at 10 a.m., but that's my trading style. Cause also the next for that's a really nice idea. That's a really good idea. But sometimes the problem waiting a 1 hour candle closure at 10 can make you miss an opportunity and the volatility at the 9:30. Not always, but sometimes after these big moves, because before the pre-market, look at this. Where's my ruler? So with this move, we also get the 50 points. Now we make like a reversal from top to bottom is 150. It's like a 200 points move. We can see a little slow wish market soon. We'll see. But that's 100% a good idea. We don't have to take millions of trades in one day. One trade is enough, right? So if you took this trade and made enough money, like if you made more than $200, you can just shut down your computer, enjoy rest of the day. That's it. And before you go, smash the like. But we will keep trading because today is a nice day to trade. It's a nice day to trade. Let's go, Borsa, over a $1,200 in profit. That's the way. Crashing it, Willow. All right, perfect. I will keep the ES on the right side so we can, discuss interactively. So you guys will also learn while you're watching me. It's not just about the copy my trades thing. You will learn. So maybe I sometimes do a wrong thing, but you will say, oh, he's doing wrong, and I will not take it. It's completely fine. And I will more than happy teaching you this trading style. It's not so hard. All right, now 9:49. In 30 seconds, we will get a new macro, 950 macro. I'm very excited to see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna reverse or is it gonna trend continuation? I'm logging to come back for live London sessions. Oh, yeah, man, everyone missed it. I got a lot of DMs like, oh, I missed the Pharaoh's London sessions. Is he gonna do it again? I said, I don't know. Maybe he will do it. Send him some love. I love your enthusiasm and your encouragement, Borsa. Oh, thank you, Ro. I really appreciate that. You guys are the best. I have the best community in the world. All right, so now we entered the 950 macro. I know, yeah, of course, man. You're on vacation. You deserved it. Don't worry, market will be here. When you come back, you can do whenever you want your live sessions. Borsa channel. Oh, a message is today. Sorry, I don't know why they deleted you channel. Oh, I think it's because you type all caps. Yeah, please disable the caps lock. Sorry, I didn't remove your message. The Nightbot did it automatically. Gold also made a crazy ride since this morning. Really? It's so hard to now to check the market because the Bitcoin is going crazy, Ethereum going crazy. What was your entry reason without A or B signal? It's very simple, Tony. Let me tell you again. I can explain you very quickly. So before the market open, everyone, if you missed it, now I am explaining why this is a perfect long and why we took it. So the thing is, before the market opened 8:30, market took out what? First the London low, then the Asia low, then the most important thing, new week opening gap of this week, week 30. And when the market opened before it, we got the bullish order block from what? A care package from the toolkit. And the 9:30, we closed the candle above the midnight opening price here. These are all a bullish thing. And the candle opened, you took the long, you target what? The London high. Then you can keep riding like your friends do until ES took out the London high. This was the idea. You don't have to wait always for the A plus or the B signals. Keep that in mind. Oh, channel is here. So nice to see you, channel. All right. This is crazy. I think we're gonna get the strength continuation. We have the small SMT now with the ES. Wild day. Come on, guys. Send me some likes. Crash that button. Now we're literally at the all-time high. So fun to trade. And like I always say, if you guys have any questions, don't scared or shy to ask. The main reason for these live sessions is here to explain and answer your questions. Oh, I just wanted to see the gold. Is the gold made all-time high or not? $3,400. Oh my god. Oh, it's very close to all-time high. It's very strange that, you know, when the market is up like Nasdaq, the gold shouldn't go up. That's how they say, right? They are non-correlated because gold is the safest investment. They are moving exactly opposite, but now they're all moving higher. Okay, we have a beautiful SMT. Yes, crashing the highs. Yes, struggling it. Let's see the Dow Jones. Oh, Dow Jones is chopping around. Okay. Oh my god. Look at these gaps. It's literally spiking. Ladies and gentlemen, we're literally at the new all-time highs. How much is the Nvidia now? Oh my god, $172. Jesus. This is madness, boys. We have created a lot of bullish things here, right? 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute. It's just keep going up and up, 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 up. Oh my god. Why is the market so crazy today? Because now is the time for buyers to create all-time highs over and over and over again. And the interesting thing is ATR is on ES is 2. The hell is this, man? Why all my indicators just got burned? On the NQ, it's 10.5. One more bullish order block. If we had the target above, I have taken this long. That's for sure. That's crazy. I think we could see all-time highs on crypto also. God bless America. Okay. 9:57. Uh, I think tomorrow we have Powell speech. By the way, let's review the week while we wait for something to happen. Fed Chair Powell speaks tomorrow at 8:30. Interesting time. Wednesday we have existing home sales. On Thursday we have unemployment claims and PMI. PMI at 9:45. Come on, I hate the 9:45 news. Okay. Wild week. Tomorrow we will have a live session again on YouTube, and on the Thursday we have a live session again on YouTube. Yes, you heard it right. We will be all over the place. Last week we closed with the green. We made really nice money. I think we only took a loss on Friday, or I don't know. Yeah, only one day we closed with the red. It was an awesome week. Oh, I think we made it back on Friday. I don't know. I need to check it. Okay, now that was what I'm talking about. After this massive move, now market chills. It chills, it chills, it chills. Did you guys see my new artworks? Did you guys see it behind? Look at this beautiful thing. It's a 3D art. I don't know if you guys watching the bootcamp series. I think for some of you it's very basic topics at the moment, but it's becoming now uh, like everyone. I'm now covering supply and demand, new week opening gap, new day opening gap is coming, ATR is coming, and most requested one is which needs to trade, how we can trade the news, it's coming. So from now on it will become like more fun, I guess, because I have started from zero. Like I promised, what can I do? I'm teaching to literally how to buy and sell, what is market order, what is limit buy or sell, you know. People are charging, $5,000 for this thing. You don't believe me? Just go check it out. In the channel, it's for free. Every day from Tuesday to Friday, I'm uploading bootcamp videos. So I think now it's 25 days we have. Now we are at, I think, 11 or 10. I forgot. But every weekday except Monday, new video is dropping. Oh my God. All time high again. Ten a.m. now. Okay. Shall we check the BTC here? Because where is it? Let's go for 4 hour. Now the BTC is chopping around. It's I think it's loading up some orders. My target is on BTC is 145 or 150, between that zone. It's very doable, it's very achievable. But I think playing for Ethereum will giving you the more money. That's what I think, because statistically, if you long from like 2,500, let's say, and if it becomes to 5k, you double your money. But on Bitcoin, if you buy here, you need to sell it 200k to double it. So you got my point, right? Now it's become a very, very high pricey thing though. And I never suggest you guys trade crypto on leverage. Never ever. Leverage will destroy your money and your account literally. Oh my god, this is going wild. Tesla is 330. I think now if you're looking for a long-term investment, it's not a, you know, investment advice or anything. It's a beautiful A plus sell signal, by the way. I think the most undervalued company now is the Tesla. That's for sure. There is a lot of selling pressure. I think it's because of the Elon's attitude. It should be like 1k now. It's stuck at 300. It's doing a millions of project. Strange. Maybe it's waiting for its turn, you know. Nvidia, AMD is going crazy. Very nice. Everyone is making money in these markets. Hey Borsa, why don't you took a trade? Right, you're talking this, but it's not. It's. Do you see anything that we can do? I can't see it. We just tape reading. We're overviewing the market. If I see something, I will definitely took it. Appreciate those videos. Oh, always welcome, Dave. Pharaoh, nothing to do. Yeah, man. I didn't see the comments you type in. Okay. Best interactive live sessions. Oh, thank you very much, Pharaoh. Thank you, man. How do you know if it's a bullish FVG or it's a bearish? Oh, that's a good question. I love those kind of questions. How do you know? It's interesting questions also. So the bullish FVG, as you can understand from the name, it's a bullish one. Means you can expect a long. And how you understand it's a bullish? Because the gap is on the upside. And I don't know if you know how to mark out the fair value gap, but I assume you don't know. From this week of the candle to this week, and between of them is the gap, and that gap is called a fair value gap. I have a specific video about the fair value gaps, and also it's coming on the bootcamp. I think next week, yeah, we will cover the fair value gaps masterclass and the inversions. So with that way, you can learn and understand which one is the bullish fair value gap and which one is the bearish fair value gap. The exact opposite one, let's go to Tesla back again. I think we had the bearish fair value gaps there. Let me see. Let me see. Come on. Yeah. So this is the bearish fair value gap. It's very small, but from this candle low to this candle high, it's called a bearish fair value gap. And when it's inverted, it's called an inversion. I know it sounds quite complicated, but trust me, it's the easiest thing in the world. Nice studio, by the way. You made it at home. No, man, it's not possible. It's very huge. It's a big studio. I couldn't make it in the home. I couldn't fit it in. I wish it wasn't, but hey Borsa, does Laxalgo indicator repaint the overlay? No, 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 no. It's not repainting. I need a strong retest, otherwise I can take a trade. That's the thing. I agree with you. I agree with you. Because the risk will be too much, man. Risk will be too much. It's always better to wait for the retest. And retest needs to be in the 5-minute fair value gap or the 15-minute fair value gap. Otherwise, I don't think it's a good idea. So I agree with you. This thing is just going up. Up and up, up, up. Ten past 8. So the 950 macro, which started, let me draw it here, right? This is strange. I have this problem with this color. Okay, so this is the 950 start of the macro, and it will end here. So like we discussed before, the 950 does two things. It's a continuation or reversal. So this kind of a continuation, because basically we just made the session high, right? This was the high, but now this is the high. I don't know, maybe we will make one more high. So it was the continuation macro. Okay, Borsa, so what is the next macro? It's most of the time act as a reversal, but the thing is, you cannot say it always does that. The reason is very simple. Market always shows you the same picture on the different ways. So on 1020, you can see one more leg up. But on maybe 1050, we will get a nice reversal trade. But when I say reversal, don't get me wrong, because you cannot expect market will dump. So we are now up 0.7%. You cannot expect all the greens will gone with the reversal, right? So you can just think like maybe 20 points of a trade, 30 points of a trade, then took a partial, then leave a runner. Maybe it will drop. I don't know. But you shouldn't expect that, especially when you are in the all-time highs. All right, the macro is about to over. I hope you guys got my point. Let's shoot on the pump mode. Interesting. It could be a trap, but we'll see. First A plus sell. Literally the first A plus of the week on the ES. So, do we have SMT? Yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay, we have SMT. What is end of the macro? If you took this, I would have taken a profit at maybe 3 points, then leave a runner. I don't know. The market is so bullish, man. What is the delta? Yeah, literally the buyers are more. 23k on this 5 minute. This 5 minute was minus 13. Okay, the macro is over now. Interesting one. This is cool. Wild, right? Okay, we traded into this bullish 1 minute FVG. I think because I messed somehow the things here, I should just give me a moment. This overlay is burning my eyes. Let's make this too. Okay, now it's better. We traded into this bullish 1 minute FVG. Hard to really say something now. Is the Laxalgo overlay just a super trend? Be honest, please. Of course, I will be honest. Why should I lie? The thing is, super trend is a super basic indicator. But the signals and overlays and the price action concepts indicators are regularly got updated, and they work so much to make it a good indicator. So I have like maybe more than 30 videos on the channel about the Laxalgos toolkit. You can check and decide yourself. But simple answer, no, it is not. Market too bullish today, too risky to shorting this. I agree, man. Yeah, like we discussed earlier, maybe we get like 20, 30 points of a reversal. I don't know. But other than that, it's really risky to short here. Let's remove those lines. We don't need it. Beautiful looking markets, baby. So interesting thing is we're still respecting this A plus. I didn't expect that, it's because the last minute of the macro. The only thing is we did a SMT here. The NQ did a high, session high. ES didn't make it, so that's the only thing. Are you going to take any trade today? Market top bullish. Yeah, we answered that. The only trade was this one, but other than that, I couldn't take it. It's too risky here, man. 950 macro was, offered this bullish OB, but with this candle, so it's quite interesting day. Okay, bro, I know where to take trades, but I'm afraid and I take full losses. Please give me guidance. Good one. Okay. What's the name? Hassan. First thing is, if you're feeling that emotions, I bet the problem with your sizing, you shouldn't afraid to take losses. If you are afraid to take a loss, that's because your size is too big. What I suggest, if you trade now, let's say 10 micros, drop it to 3, relax. If you make money, it will be a green day. But if you lose, you will not sad because you will survive. The thing is, most important thing in the trading, you need to stay up in the game if you want to become a profitable day trader. Make a challenge for yourself and try to keep that account at least 1 month. Even if you don't pass, right? Even if you don't pass, try not to blow first, then try to pass it first in 2 months. Then you will make it faster and you will scale from that point. First thing is you need to get away from that kind of emotions because it will kill your account. even if the idea is too good, you can lose money because of the emotions and because you cannot control the trades. That's the thing. Thank you, man. Always welcome. So we now going into 1020 macro. I believe we will get a one trade in this macro, and we have the SMT. As you guys can see, it's very clear one. I'm not crazy, but we can do a quick scalp on the short ones. Let's see. I want to see a nice small reversal here. Let's see. I didn't push the button yet. Okay, guys. So if I push, you will see. The good thing about the reversals, okay, we got this 5 minutes. The good thing about the reversals are, you got the less risk and you got the more reward. This is how we like it. Personally, this is how I like, because the stop is the session high. For me, it's like that. And the most beginners blow these accounts on lower time frames. Always watch. Yeah, Melania is right. You can confirm all the targets with the higher time frames, because when you are 1 minute, you can get excited and choose the wrong target maybe. But you can use either higher time frames indicator like this, or you can just simply push the 1 hour and see where is the liquidity sitting at. Okay, so I believe literally market didn't made any pullback. Oh, let me see. Old London high maybe. I'm just thinking out loud, right? So maybe this. Yeah, can we get the 2 hour here somewhere? Still need more confirmation. Let's see. I trade 0.02 and 2k loss from now, and I will just trade. Yeah, 0.01 is even big, I think. Why don't you go just double digits zero? Like, double digits 0.005, let's say. Because when you took a loss, you will not be sad, you will not care, and that's the time when you step in as a profitable trader and make my account grow slowly. Yeah, that's the thing. And never ever broke that rule, because when you once take a loss and say, okay, let's make that back, and you took a one trade and you make one more loss, so it's a twice as, and you will get crazy and just double the size, triple the size, and you will blow the account. That happens every time like that. Oh my god, what was that? We're getting an A plus buy signal. What should we do, ladies and gentlemen? Should we go for this one? Should we go for this one or not? I will go for with the two contracts. And my stop loss will be this volume imbalance, and my risk is 25 points approximately. And what's my target? Don't ask me. As long as it goes. Okay. Okay. Retest. Let's go with one contract. Because this can maybe a fake out. I don't know. I want to take a profit at yeah, 20 points. It's a 101 trade, I guess. Let's see. Let's put it here. I can play around. How many time did it took for you to become a profitable? Good questions. I don't know. I never counted, but I've been trading more than 7 years now, and I am I'm now, we can say, trading futures like 3 years, perhaps. I need to check, but making money from trading like 4 or 5 years now, constantly. Okay, this bullish FVG, I like it. I will answer the questions one by one. We have SMT, but just below we have a 15-minute FVG, too risky plus risky word. Yeah, not the best. I agree, man. I just wanted to take a small ride. Oh, what was that? Yeah, I cannot suggest to trade gold. Yeah, I don't trade gold. I don't like gold because it does some, unexpected moves, because it also relies on the fundamental things, the war and all that thing. Trade forex, yeah, possible. Go for the prop firms. Trade NQ, trade ES. No target till both go. Let go. It takes my friend. Yeah, yeah. Let's see, man. I don't know. So the both pairs is moving together still, and the Dow Jones is going up. Let's see. We got two bullish order blocks here, and since we entered the 1020 macro, I still think that this macro will be a continuation to upside and create a high. So we can ride a little, take this beast for a ride, like 20 points, 30 points, whatever it gave us. But this was a massive candle. How much we up today? 0.8. Okay, cool. Not that much. I wanna see something. Let's take out this AM high to low. My God, look at the equilibrium point, is crazy. Now we have this 510, the upside. It's crazy, man. Any signal at market open? What's up, Shahbaz? I know it was you because of the questions. No, we didn't get. Maybe on the higher time frames. I don't know. Maybe on the 3 to. I didn't check it. Let's see. Yeah, we got a plus on 3 minute time frame. It was a beautiful one, eh? Why the signals is so small? Why all my settings is literally crashed? Okay, let's make this normal. Okay, so this was the A plus buy on 3 minutes. I feel like I bought it but top. Just kidding. Do we have now SMT with TS? Haha. Crazy day. I love all-time highs, but I also hate it. They literally want to take the price higher and higher. Yeah, that's, I agree, man. Yeah, all-time highs is like, it's all-time high. Where you want to go? How far it can go? Where can you target? Yeah, you can calculate with the fibs, but it's again. But I prefer taking a longs rather than shorts this kind of days, at least like first three macros. It's now literally on steroids. Come on, people, we need some likes. Why we got like so few? Oh, it's not few, but we can make it better, I guess. Oh my god, yes, just making a high again. Come on, Dow Jones. Dow Jones is sleeping. Did you guys see that? Look at this. I'll show you. This is Dow Jones. It's chopping. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, this is an IC plus. Now we used to receive the B. Oh, we got A plus buy here also. It's good, good, good. Oh, this is chopped out, I think. Yeah, it's like a break-even trade. Ladies and gentlemen, as always, my execution literally created a new chop zone. I don't know why. Hello.
If I think, you know, if I leave this position open and come back in the PM session, it will be in the profit, I guess.
Good morning, boys. So much bullishness. The stop loss is this bullish order block. This is a 1 micro contracts, by the way, okay? Don't get in this too hard. So you never know. I'm just watching the yes for the if the things wanna reverse. And I think this is the last macro that we can see all-time high till the after lunch macro. So I think it can continue on the PM, but at 10:50 I believe we can see some little pullback. That's just my thought. I don't know. Come on, make a session high. Oh my god, how many bullish order blocks now? Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Just says take me higher, baby. Mm. Good boy. Shall we close at 10 points? Should I push the button? 10 points is good. Oh, now it's at 12 points. Oh. Come on. Good. Good boy. Come on. Are we gonna get the session high or not? Oh, it's so close. Okay. 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 I'm out. That was fun. I think it's 11 points or something. That's the best you can get at all-time highs with that amount of risk. Yeah, it's stop. I think it's a 101 trade or something. I think we moved to a stop loss here, so it was nice. Now it will push higher. uh, that was nice A plus again. Anyway. Oh man, this is crazy. But you know, it's a nice live session. I like it. It's been, you know, talking with you guys interactively, taking your questions. It's really my pleasure. I love to answer your questions because sometimes you guys ask really, really interesting questions. So something is pops in my mind. It's going higher. I don't know why I closed with one micro contract. Why don't you just carry? Okay, yes, moving higher. Cool. I don't know. Maybe I think we get the reversal, little reversal at 1050 so. But you know, literally I'm done for the day. It was a pleasure and it's really nice live session. I really enjoyed it. And I'm coming back tomorrow again and we trade live again. So we only executed live one and we called out this move at the market open. Couldn't execute on this account, but most of you guys caught it. That's all it matters. And it was a beautiful ride. It was like a textbook. We called the price like every minute that where it can go, this will go, and you guys know the thing. So thank you guys for watching me. Before you go, I suggest you join the Discord because sometimes, most of the time, we do a live sessions there and we talk, we discuss, and a lot of our members is you know, publishing ideas. Like Pharaoh is contributing to community so much. Suggest you join. It's always good to, you know, talk with the like-minded people. Even if you trade crypto or forex, doesn't matter what trading is, doesn't matter, you know, you can change the ticker just like this. So the important thing is the making money in trading. And yeah, that's it. Press the like button for him. Thank you, Melania. Thank you very much, guys. Smash the like buttons, please, before you go. And that's it, basically. Thank you guys for supporting me and love you all. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. And bye for now.